In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template in Hubspot using the design tools. Whether you're crafting an email, a landing page, or a blog, HubSpot offers robust tools to streamline your design process and ensure your final product is both polished and professional. To begin, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the top menu bar and hover over Marketing. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Files and Templates. Click on that, and it will extend to a list where you will choose Design Tools. This is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in Design Tools, find and click the Create Template button. At this point, HubSpot gives you the opportunity to select what kind of template you're aiming to create. You can choose from a variety of formats such as an email, a landing page, or a blog. This choice will influence the subsequent tools and modules available, so pick according to your needs. Once you've selected your template type, it's time to start designing. HubSpot provides two main options, a drag and drop editor and a code editor. The drag and drop editor is ideal if you want to quickly assemble a template using pre-made modules and visual organization. On the other hand, if you're experienced with code and want more control over the minute details of your design, you might opt for the code editor. Feel free to explore both options to see which suits your project best. As you build out your template, one of the key features to take advantage of is adding modules. Modules are essentially building blocks, things like images, text boxes, buttons, and forms that you can easily incorporate into your design. Customizing styles within these modules allows you to tweak the visual aspects to match your specific branding guidelines, adjust colors, fonts, and spacing for a cohesive look and feel. A powerful feature that HubSpot offers is the use of personalization tokens. Personalization tokens allow you to tailor your content to individual users, dynamically inserting information from your contacts database, such as names, companies, or specific preferences. Incorporating personalization can significantly enhance the relevance and impact of your communication. Before you rush to hit publish, it's crucial to save and thoroughly test your template. Testing lets you catch any unexpected errors or formatting issues that could affect the user experience. You might send a test email to yourself or preview a landing page to confirm everything looks and functions as intended across different devices and browsers. Once you're confident your template is flawless, you're ready to publish it. With your template complete, you're now well equipped to engage your audience with content that's both visually appealing and personalized to their needs. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your next HubSpot project.